come closer. Whether you're a student, a salary earner, a business owner, whatever you are into, first of all, take away that mindset that you need millions of naira to start investing. You see, in the past, the major investment people were really aware of was buying shares. Whilst today, there are several other investments that you can do and that will always give you passive income. Today, trust your girl now. I'm going to be breaking down 5 of them for you, and I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can invest in them. So a big auntie got in touch with me lately, and she was so optimistic. She was like, she wanted to start investing, but she didn't have so much money. I was like, auntie, please, you don't need millions to start investing. Whatever you have, how little you have, you can start investing. So she started with little amount of money and she started investing in some shares, and today she has seen her investments grow steadily. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 smart investments that you can do with 100,000 naira and even less, even if you've never invested before. The 4th one is actually my favorite, and so you don't have to miss it. Stick to this video. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adeshola. You can call me Shows. On this channel, we talk about everything personal finance and financial literacy. If you have been following up with this channel, I want to say a very big thank you. And if you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press that notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So come along, let's grow our wealth together. The first one I'm going to be talking about today is treasury bills. Yes, treasury bills are great investment opportunities. You see, when people hear about treasury bills, they always feel like it's one investment that cannot even name. But let me tell you, treasury bills are great investment opportunities, especially for people that are looking into investing in safe investment instruments. So when you invest in treasury bills, it's more like you are lending money to the government to actually finance their project. Yes, you can lend to the government to fund their project. You heard that right. Treasury bills are backed by the full faith and credit of the federal government of Nigeria. Yes, and that is why it is referred to as one of the safest forms of investments that you can do. So the Nigerian government borrows money from everyday people like you and me, and then they pay us back with interest. Isn't that cool? So today, trust your girl now, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can invest in treasury bills. But before then, there are some things you need to know about treasury bills, right? So treasury bills are short-term instruments. Yes, they are usually invested for less than a year. So how does it work? Treasury bills are usually sold at a discount and the interest is being paid upfront. Yes, so what I mean is that if you are interested in investing 100,000 naira, for instance, and the interest is 20%, as an example, it means that you are going to be paying 80,000 naira upfront. And at the end of the tenure, the government will pay you back 100,000 naira. So it's like being rewarded immediately. So that's a major advantage of this investment. You already know upfront how much you are going to make from that investment. So how do you now invest in treasury bills? There are 2 ways. Yes, there are 2 ways by which you can invest in treasury bills. The first one is through the primary market. So by primary market, it means that you can buy it directly. So the primary market is where the federal government first sells the treasury bills through the Central Bank of Nigeria during auctions. So it's like buying straight from the factory. So the minimum amount you can invest in the primary market is 50 million naira. So for the odogus among us, this investment is for you. So you can bid through the commercial banks, and this primary market auctions happens every 2 weeks. So the second way you can buy treasury bills is at the secondary market. Yes, so you don't have to let the 50 million naira scare you actually. With 100,000 naira or more, you can invest in treasury bills through the secondary market, and here you can go through your banks or your stockbrokers, and there are also trusted apps that you can use to buy treasury bills. And trust your girl now, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can buy treasury bills, and I'm going to be showing you that right now.
So you come over to your Play Store, either for your Google or Apple device, and then you search for Afro Investor 2.0. Yes, this is how it looks like. So you just click on it and install. Once you do that and it installs on your device, you come over here and press get started. And so you have to fill in your email, your phone number, your date of birth, and then you put in your password and then sign up. As soon as you're done with that, you need to verify your OTP. Yes, the OTP will be sent into your email. So you need to check your email for that and then verify OTP code. And once you're done that, you would also need to create a 4-digit PIN, and then you also confirm the PIN. And then you're all set. Once that is done, you need to fill in your KYC. Yes, KYC means know your customer. So they need to know you as their customer. They need to get your details, your contact address, your BVN, and the rest of them. So, but first of all, you need to choose your account type. There are 3 types of accounts here. The first and the second one has limits to both withdrawal and deposits. However, the last one does not have. So this POP has a withdrawal limit of 20,000. The Groove has a withdrawal limit of 30,000. But the classic one, yes, the classic one has no limit. So we'll go for the classic. And at the upper right side, yes, at the upper right side, you make your selection for the classic. And then you click choose type. Yes, you choose that type. Once you are done with that, it tells you that you have some more steps to do. Yes, some more steps to go. You have your BVN verification to put in so that they can get your personal details. You also need to put in your personal information, your next of kin details, and then documents that are required. As soon as you are done with that, you can then start investing. You can start by funding your wallet. You can just come over here and fund wallet. Once you are done with that, to start investing in treasury bills, you need to come over here to invest. Just come over to the bottom part of this page and you see invest. You just click on invest and it then brings you here. So once you get to this point, you click on treasury bills. You can see here treasury bills is short-term government debt. And then it brings you right here. You can see that they are all within the range of less than 1 year. You have the one for 192 days. You have the one of 206 days, 255 days, 297 days, 360 days. Currently, as at date of this recording. So you just come over here, look at the yield, and select the one that is best appealing to you. So let's make a random selection, and it brings you to this point. So all you need to do is put in the amount of money you'd like to invest. Like I mentioned earlier, the minimum amount you can invest here is 100,000 naira. So you can just come in here and put in any amount of money you want to invest from 100,000 naira and above. And then you click on buy, and that is just it.
So that is just how you can buy treasury bills. So don't let the 50 million naira scare you. I mean, you can buy treasury bills with 100,000 naira or more. So the second investment I'm going to be talking about today is mutual funds. Yes, mutual funds are a great investment, especially for beginners. And with as little as 5,000 naira, you can start investing in mutual funds. So the idea about mutual funds as an investment is that you and other investors pool money together to invest in instruments that ordinarily you might have not been able to afford to invest in. And at the end of it, everyone is being given back returns based on how much they invested. So another beautiful thing about mutual funds is that you have a professional. Yes, a professional helps you to manage your funds and helps you to pick your investments. So you may be skeptical about the fact that you are new and you don't know what investments to put your money into. So I have a full video. Yes, I have a full video on how to invest in mutual funds in Nigeria. And in that video, I described to you step by step how you can invest in mutual funds in Nigeria. I'm sure you don't want to miss that. So check the description. Yes, the link is on the description. And I also showed you how you can invest in Stanbic IBTC mutual fund. So it's a great investment for you, and it's a great one for you, especially if you are just starting. And with 5,000 naira, yes, 5,000 naira, Maybe you can buy mutual funds in Nigeria. So the next thing I'll be talking about is the federal government savings bond. The federal government savings bond helps you to invest and then you get paid every quarter. Yes, you heard that right. Every 3 months you get to receive your interest. So the federal government savings bond are also backed by the full faith of the government. However, for this one, it is for a longer tenure. That is, it is for a period more than a year. So you have for either 2 years or for 3 years. The minimum amount you can invest here is 5,000 naira and you can invest up to 50 million naira. So now imagine you investing and after every 3 months, your bank account smiles at you with interest. So how does it work? I mean, how do you go about investing in the federal government savings bond in Nigeria? The process is very simple. Hold up, have you been watching this video and you are yet to subscribe? Oh my God, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button and press that notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. And don't forget to also click that like button. Thank you. So how does it work? So let's say you invest a sum of 100,000 naira, but remember the minimum amount you invest is 5,000. So let's say you invest 100,000 naira and the interest is 18%, for instance. So it means that you are going to be paid 18% annually. 18% of 100,000 naira is 18,000 naira. That money will be divided into 4 and you'll be paid every quarter. So it means that every quarter you'll be paid 4,500 naira. So how do you go about this? All you have to do is go through a licensed stockbroker. I have a video in the description that shows you the list of all licensed stockbrokers we have in Nigeria. They will help you open a stockbroking account and then they will give you the form to fill. Once you fill the form and return it back to them every quarter, all you have to do is chill, relax, and be receiving your interest every 3 months. Like I mentioned earlier, the period for investing in the FGN savings bond is usually 2 or 3 years, and the offer comes out every month. Yes, from January to December, every month, and they usually have a 5 days window for you to invest in FGN savings bond in a month. Do you know that you can structure your investment in the FGN savings bond in such a way that every single month for the period of 2 years or the 3 years that you want to invest, every single month you'll be getting your interest? Let me show you how. So let's say you invest in September, for instance. Your interest will be paid 4 times a year: December, March, June, and September. If you invest in October, your interest will be paid in January, April, July, and October. So if you now invest in November, your interest will be paid in February, May, August, and November. So by so doing, you've been able to cover up receiving your interest every month from January to December. Isn't that awesome? So the first one I'm going to be talking about today is investing in stocks, which is popularly known as shares. You can buy shares of companies. When you buy shares of companies, it means that you are buying part ownership of that business. So I'm sure you must have heard of companies like GTCO, Zenith Bank, Access, Dangote Cement, Presco, all these publicly listed companies. So when you invest in their companies, it means that you are buying a part ownership. So it means that even if you don't sit with them in their board meetings, neither do you even enter their staff box, but you can still be a proud owner of that company. Yes, a proud part owner. So there are 2 ways you can make money when you buy shares. The first one is capital appreciation. So this is basically an appreciation in the value of that stock. So for instance, you buy a particular stock for say 20 naira and the shares has appreciated up to 30 naira. It means you have gained 10 naira per share. So if you now have 1,000 units, it means you have gained 10,000 naira. So the second one is dividends. So this is the sweet part. I mean, when companies make profits in a year, they distribute a part of that profit to their shareholders as dividends. So that is what you get to earn, and is a very good way of making passive income. So you may want to ask, how do you now start investing in stock? Very simple. All you need to do is go through a licensed stockbroker in Nigeria, and then they are going to open an account for you and tell you all the processes. They will give you your CSCS account number, they'll give you your CHN number, and then you can start investing. Some of them have platforms, that they use to invest, and there are also other platforms you can use, like Bamboo, like Trove, and the rest of them. So this leads us to the 5th one. Yes, the 5th one I'm going to be talking about today is fintech apps. Yes, fintech apps have come to be a great way to, invest and make passive income. Most of them help you to have saving plans that give you returns that are much more higher than what you get in the regular banks. So they also help you to set goals, a lot of things you want to achieve, and then they also help you to automate your savings. Here. So let's say you want to save 20,000 naira every month for the next 6 months. Just set it on the app, and every month or every week or however you want to set it, the app withdraws it automatically from your bank account and saves it or invests it for you. Examples of such apps are the Piggyvest, we have Cowrywise, we have iInvest. We also have Optimus by AfriInvest, which is a powerful tool for high yield savings. So I've added the link to start investing with Optimus by AfriInvest in the description. You can always check it out. So which of these apps have you been using, and which one has been making money for you? Also let me know in the comment section which of the investments you have been doing and which one are you really interested in. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you found this video really useful, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press that notification bell so that you'd always get notified anytime I upload new videos. Thank you very much for watching, and catch up with you next time.